Bedside touch control table lamp with dual USB charging ports, 1 AC outlet. 3-way dimmable modern nightstand lamp with white fabric shade. Desk lamp for bedroom, living room, office with 5000 K LED bulb. This modern bedside lamp has 3 different brightness options: low, medium and high, to meet your upgraded touch control feature makes it exactly convenient to turn on/off and adjust to your favorite brightness level, just tapping any metal part of the sturdy base, stems or even the finial on the socket. Greatly handy to operate, no more minding switch lost or broken. Set of 2 touch control 3-way dimmable table lamp with 2 USB ports and 1 AC outlet. Desk lamps for bedroom, living room, gray, bulbs included. MA's Volador touch control table lamp, 3-way dimmable bedside desk lamps with 2 USB charging ports, 2 AC outlets, gray fabric shade, modern nightlight for bedroom, SD64 LED bulbs included, set of 2. The dimmable bedside nightstand lamp offers 3-level brightness options: low, medium, high. Just simply tapping on anywhere of the metal base to stand mood, decorative accent, or bright working light. This touch-sensitive lamp can be easily controlled over by people of all ages. Fogwangao touch control table lamp with 2 USB ports, 3-way dimmable Elizabeth modern nightstand lamp, white alabaster metal base, rectangular lampshade, rustic lamp for bedroom, living room, bulb included. The dimmable Elizabeth nightstand lamp has 3-level brightness. With touch sensor function, just tap the point lamp to turn it on instead of fumbling the switch in the darkness. Easy touch gives you the chance to adjust the brightness as you like.